Hi friends, it's me, Danny, and I wanted to take a minute to tell you about a really awesome program that I've been working with lately. The organization is called Sleep in Heavenly Peace. And at Sleep in Heavenly Peace, the motto is very simple. No kid sleeps on the floor in our town. This organization has been providing beds for kids since 2012, and let me tell you, since that time, they have helped so many families in need by providing a safe and warm place for kids to sleep. And as you know, a good night's sleep really helps kids in so many different ways. Now friends, I'd like to ask you to please consider becoming part of this great organization by donating any amount you can. You can simply donate by clicking the link in the description below. Now, one of the great parts of helping Sleep in Heavenly Peace is the fact that you know exactly where the money is going. It is going to change the lives of kids. And guys, we get the fun part. We get to deliver the beds and see their little faces light up as they see their brand new beds assembled right there in their rooms. It's amazing. Friends, please consider joining me as we change lives. All you got to do is click that link in the description and donate any amount you can. Any amount helps. Now, before the recent price increases, it costs about $250 start to finish to complete one bed. But you know what? With all of us joining together, we can change lives. So guys, thank you so much for considering helping us make sure that no kid sleeps on the floor in our town.